Hi there, I'm Alex, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and today I'll be taking you through how to use our Therapy Termination Worksheet. There can be many reasons for a client or a therapist to terminate their therapy sessions. Clients' needs can change and become outside of the therapist's scope of practice, they may move away, or the client and therapist may reach the natural end of their progression in therapy. Regardless of the reasons for termination, ending therapy can be a daunting prospect. The questions in this worksheet are open-ended and designed to help your client put their thoughts and feelings about the end of therapy into words. Let's take a look at the worksheet now. The Therapy Termination Worksheet is made up of 10 open-ended questions for your client and includes space for their name and date at the top of the page. The worksheet can be completed digitally or printed out and completed by hand if they prefer. The first step to start using this worksheet is to access the worksheet document, which you can do through the link on this page. Next, once you have determined that your client will be terminating their therapy sessions with you, provide them with the worksheet. Make sure you give them the worksheet with enough time for them to complete it, and for you both to go through their answers in your final therapy sessions. Finally, ensure you store the document securely. To see what this therapy termination worksheet might look like when it's complete, take a look at our sample worksheet here. Feel free to pause the screen to read in more detail. To access this termination worksheet in Carepatron, simply search up our termination worksheet in the template library by clicking Templates from the menu on the left. Ensure you are filtering by community templates to see our full range of templates, then search by keyword. Select the worksheet, then your client from the client list. And now you're in the Draft tab. You can fill in this worksheet with your client's responses from within this Draft tab, and hit Publish to save it for your client when you're done.